how to backup calls, contacts and messages to the USB drive on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, you want to connect your USB drive using the adapter. So connect it to the phone. Once you have connected the USB drive to the phone, then here we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. And in here, tap on external storage transfer. Next, tap on USB storage in the backup to section. From here, select just calls, contacts and messages. Then tap on next. Then tap on OK. So here, data backup and encrypted using your Samsung account. So tap on don't show again. If you don't want to show this message again, then tap on OK. Now just wait for the phone to back up the data. This should be fairly quick to back up. And after that, once the backup has completed, you can tap on the next button or the done button. Alright, so now we can tap on next, then tap on done. And we now have successfully backup the host data. So if you tap on external storage transfer, and if you tap on restore from, you can see in here there are different backups. So this is the one we have just backup right now. So you can open on that to restore the data later on if you need it to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.